Hello everybody and welcome to another video. And in this video I've taken myself out for a little cheeky micro adventure here in East London. So I got up pretty early this morning. I've gone for a little walk to some woods that I know of. The plan is to get the firebox up and going, a little coffee, maybe a little bit of breakfast. So I hope you enjoy it. Come back to you in a bit. I really was in two minds about getting up this morning. My alarm clock went about 5:20 and I was lying there and I was so going to cancel. I don't know what it is. I was just really comfy in my bed and it was dark outside. But there's a little voice just telling me, go on Ben, just get dressed and get out and you'll be more in the mood, and I am. And since I got that firebox going, that's really lifted the spirits. Even just walking here has been really, really nice. One of the things I've discovered this year I really like to do is to walk early in the morning, particularly in the city. It's actually weirdly peaceful. Did a video back in the summer where I walked down to the River Thames, and someone described it as a bit 28 days later, a bit apocalyptic. And I suppose in a way it is. It's quite weird being in a city when everyone else is asleep and you're the only one up. Give or take one or two other people, of course. But it's nice. Really recommend it actually. Go to bed early, pack your rucksack the night before, and it doesn't have to be a wild camp, just plan something, little walk, little wander, and just enjoy those morning sounds and just that quiet that I particularly really crave and really value. So we're going to try breakfast now. I have bought a couple of hot cross buns, like you do, in October. And I'm going to have a go at just grilling those just briefly on the firebox, and we'll see what they're like. Right, so there we go, guys. Thanks very much. That's me done for another one. It's been brief, but it's been really, really nice. So relaxing and really enjoying the firebox at the moment as well. If you have liked this video, you might want to hit that thumbs up button. And if you're not a subscriber, please do feel free to press subscribe. But if you do decide to do that, don't forget to hit the little bell. Then you get all the notifications for anything else that I do in the future. So thank you very much for joining me. Take care, and I'll see you soon.